Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long. I just took a shower, my hair is kind of wet, and can you hear that? No, I live in a beautiful place surrounded with mountains and lakes, but somehow it's always so noisy. Okay, anyways, so let's begin. So I was sent these 5 facial kits by Nature's Essence. Each one is a different one. This is the gentle fruit that I'm gonna use in this video, and these I haven't opened the seal pack. This is whitening pearl, then this one is the glowing gold, this one is the flawless papaya, and this one is the brightening diamond. So Nature's Essence is a very transformative and trustworthy skincare brand. Each product is made with the most potent natural ingredients. So let me show you what's inside in each one of them. So this comes with this very beautiful box. I would say it's very cute. This is the D10 therapy wipe off marks. This comes free with the package. So this is like the pre-facial prep. Step number 1 is the cleanser, that is the almond cleanser. Step number 2 is condition. It comes with this orange scrub and pack. Number 3 is the nourish, that is the saffron massage cream. And number 4 is the polish, that is the apple pack. It becomes very easy as they have given numbers on each one of them, so you don't get confused which one to use after which. And you can use this 3 times, so it's a 3-time pack, and it comes for rupees 260 only, so you can use them 3 times. So each time you spend 80 rupees, which is so freaking affordable. And here a pro tip is given to use every 2 weeks. They are available in Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. I will link the product in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out. So let's start off with this D10 wipe off mask, but before that let me put on this. Good to go. So I'm gonna take this on my finger like this and just put this on little by little. It also has like a very fresh, strong fragrance, and the moment I put it on, it felt very refreshing, I must say. I'm not good at like putting this thing, but you know, it works. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is over. Now we gotta massage this for 2 minutes in circular motion. Can you see that? It's starting to like so it does come off when you massage this in circular motion. My skin already feels so great and like glowy. So now I'm gonna wash this off. Next step is to apply the cleanser, and we're gonna massage it in upward direction for 2 minutes. It smells really good. So the next step is to wipe this off with like a little bit of wet cotton or towel. So I'm gonna use this wet towel and like wipe it off just the excess. make sure to be very gentle on your skin. So the next step is to condition. So it says to apply this in upward direction and massage it for 3 minutes, and then we're gonna have to leave on our face for 5 minutes. So let's get started. But it's like yellowish, very light brownish color. It smells somewhat like lemon. I'm not even kidding. This smells like lemon, fresh lemon. And we're gonna leave this on our face for 5 minutes. Third step, it's the Nourish Saffron Massage Cream. We're gonna apply this on our skin and massage it till it absorbs. My skin feels so great at this point because I haven't done this much of self-care in like so long time. So I'm happy. To the next step, that is polish. So we're gonna apply this on our face and let it sit for 7 minutes. Let's get started. To be honest, I haven't used so much of skincare products in a single day. Like, yeah, my skincare routine is like very simple and it does not involve so many products. So this is like the first time I'm using so many products in one go. But it's great though. It feels great. My skin feels great. I can definitely see the transformation, like it is glowing. It's literally glowing. This smells of green apple and it smells very tasty. I haven't tasted, don't worry. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 7 minutes and I'll be back to you. Okay, so I'm done with all the steps and you can see my face is glowing and it feels very soft. It does not feel dry. I have a dry skin type and as of that, it does not feel dry at all. Like, it's very soft and you can see my face before and after. It's glowing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will link the products in the description box down below, and I will also link Nature's Essence YouTube channel so you can check that out as well. And thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.